Setting up your Udemy Instructor account involves several key steps for registration and verification. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, navigate to udemy.com/teaching to begin your instructor journey. This is where you'll create your teaching account. You'll need to choose between an individual account for personal teaching or a business account for organizations. Most new instructors start with an individual account. After signing up, you must verify your email address within 24 hours. Check your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. Next, complete your instructor profile. You'll need a professional headshot with minimum dimensions of 200 by 200 pixels and write a compelling bio of at least 50 words describing your expertise. The final crucial step is identity verification. You must upload a government-issued photo ID within 30 days of account creation. This verification typically takes 2 to 5 business days to complete. Identity verification is essential for publishing courses and processing payments. Once completed, you'll be ready to create and sell your courses on Udemy's platform. Setting up your tax information correctly is essential for receiving payments from Udemy. The requirements vary depending on your location and tax status. U.S. instructors must complete a W-9 form to provide their taxpayer identification number and certification. This form establishes your tax status with the IRS. International instructors need to complete either a W-8 Ben form for individuals or W-8 Ben E for entities. These forms certify your foreign status and may help reduce tax withholding. EU instructors earning above certain thresholds must register for VAT. Additionally, Udemy launched an automated tax document generation system in Q4 2024 that supports over 190 countries. For receiving payments, Udemy supports multiple payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, and direct bank transfers in select countries. Payments are issued monthly for earnings that exceed $50. This ensures efficient processing while minimizing transaction costs for smaller amounts. Understanding Udemy's revenue sharing model is crucial for financial planning. You'll receive different percentages depending on how students find your course. The difference in revenue share reflects Udemy's investment in marketing and student acquisition. Organic sales give you a higher percentage since the student found your course independently. With your tax information and payment methods properly configured, you'll be ready to receive earnings from your Udemy courses. Remember to keep your tax documents updated and monitor your payment settings regularly.